everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop rounding numbers by formatting as text in Excel. When you type a number with decimal value into a cell in Excel, by default, the number will be auto-rounded, as you can see. But in general, you need the exact data. So now I will tell you how to stop rounding numbers in Excel. If you want to keep the exact data you typed in the cell, you can format the data range as text before you typing the data. Select the range you are going to type the number data into. Right click to select Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog, click the Number tab and under Category, click Text option and click the OK button. Then when you type number data into the range, the data will keep the exact value, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.